there guys, Brandon again here with another exciting tutorial. I just built a fully secure bank-grade lead management system for financial advisors.
That's impressive.
It handles sensitive FICA documents, manages user roles, and syncs with databases. It's the kind of software agencies charge $50,000 to build. I built this whole thing in one weekend. And here's the crazy part. I don't even know how to write a single line of code. In 2026, the most profitable programming language is English. We are entering the era of the AI architect. The gatekeepers are gone. If you have an idea, you can build a business in no time. Today, I'm going to show you the exact 3-step AI stack I used to build this application. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how I'm not just managing leads, but actually using AI voice agents to close them. Step 1. Gemini, the architect. Most people fail because they treat AI like a chatbot. You need to treat AI like a senior product manager. I use Gemini as my architect. I don't ask it to write code. I ask it to plan my database. I told Gemini, I'm a financial administrator. I need an app that solves the admin bottleneck for brokers. Gemini gave me the blueprint. It wrote the user flow, the database schema, and the exact prompt I needed for the next step. You don't need to know technical terms. You just need to know your industry's pain points. Step 2. Claude AI and Claude Code, the builders. Just remember this. Claude AI lives in the browser and Claude Code lives in the terminal. I went over to Claude AI to create the app, but instead of just typing in the chat phase like you'd normally do, you'd first create a project in Claude AI, then name your project, and here in the instruction section, you paste in the prompt Gemini gave you. This will give Claude AI the memory for this project and cause less hallucinations. Claude AI will do its magic and start turning this prompt into an application we can use. Look at that. Claude didn't just give me text. It actually built the application structure. It created the folders, installed the libraries, and set up the security. It's like having a senior developer sitting next to you, typing at 1,000 words per minute. To further iterate on the app, I downloaded the project file from Claude AI and opened it up in Visual Studio Code using Claude Code. Now, unlike Claude AI, which operates in the browser, Claude Code lives and operates in the terminal, where you have more control over its features and functionality. To use Claude Code, you can simply install it from VS Code. Go to Extensions, then search for Claude Code, click on it, and install Claude Code. You will need to subscribe to Claude and authorize VS Code for using Claude. You will then cd into your file and write Claude in the terminal. This will execute Claude, where you can start chatting with it. But before you chat anything, first create a MD file, which is a markdown file Claude uses. To create a markdown file, click / and the word init. Claude Code will familiarize itself with the application information, and then from there, you can ask it to help you install the dependencies and run the app locally for you to see the results. After you installed all the dependencies, you will get a message that says your app is now running on localhost 3000 or whichever port you are being signed to. When you click localhost 3000, which is your local port your application is running on, you will see your application in its full glory. Welcome to your financial journey. How it works. A simple, secure 3-step process to get you started. Submit your info. Upload documents and we'll take care of the rest. You can choose if it's a new client on board or a client for retirement planning, investment management, tax planning, and estate planning. Step 3. Supabase, the foundation. We have our Supabase setup, which is our backend to store our data. You can simply sign up to Supabase and then you will get your Supabase schema for your SQL that Claude generated in your database-schema.sql file. You will just copy all this information into your Supabase SQL editor and run it. After you run it successfully, it will generate and create a table information for your backend to store all your information from users. Let's test it out and see if this works. I'll complete all this field and click continue. Oops, we ran into an error. Good time to show you how you can just chat with Claude Code when we run into an error. Again, you will do no coding. You just communicate in plain English to Claude Code what's happening and it should sort it out. I would normally take a screenshot of the error I'm encountering and give it to Claude Code by just dragging the screenshot into the terminal and tell it my problem. This is basically how you will code and debug all your errors. Claude Code will go through the problem and try and fix it. In this case, it says the form submission actually worked. Let's see. Let's go to our Supabase and see if we received any submission. Yes, indeed, what do you know? It actually worked.
Woohoo!
There you can see we received our submission from our online form. One lead submission right there. You can expand on the row and see the information more properly. Here you will see all the other document templates for this project: estate planning, retirement, investing, and tax planning, etc. Claude Code has fixed the whole process, and there you can see we received a thank you message after we submitted our information. This should also be sent to our email addresses. Let's check it out. There you go. As you can see, we received a thank you email and a link to complete our documentation. Let's access our document vault. This is your dashboard. Welcome, Brandon Carlton. Complete your profile to get started. You can upload your required documents. Let's choose a file and see if we can upload something. Let's upload this image and see if it will upload. Yes, indeed, it was uploaded. It's working. And just like that, we have a fully functional application where users can upload the documentation and it will be captured into a private secure database where you can store all the information. No code was required, just plain English to put together a fully functional app. So now I have a product. I can sell this to financial advisors for $99 or $249 a month. I have a generated business plan that predicts $25,000 in monthly revenue within 12 months. This is the power of no code in 2026. You are no longer limited by your skills, you are only limited by your imagination. But here's the truth. Building the software is step one. The real wealth in 2026 isn't just in managing clients, it's in getting them. While this app handles the admin, I'm using something even more powerful to generate the sales calls: AI voice agents. I've created a dedicated community called Nexus AI Partners. In it, I teach you not just how to build these apps, but how to deploy AI voice agents that talk to customers, qualify leads, and book meetings automatically. You will also find a Claude MD file that you can download for free. If you want to move from admin to architect and build a future-proof business, click the link in the description, join the community, and let's build the future together. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.